do this too. Tuck, where are you from, bud?
Panama City.
All right, Panama City. What year is your Camaro?
2000.
What kind of mods?
Exhaust, pretty much.
Cutout? You got a cutout? No cutout. All right, go. All right, good. Thank you. If you still want to get in, folks, you can still drive your car around and get in the back of the line. All right. Here.
82 Trans Am.
All right, what year is your car?
82.
82, what kind of mods?
Too many.
Too many to mention, okay. All right, we got it neutral, brake on. Okay, go. All right, good, thank you. All right, who we got here?
Judge, okay?
I'm sorry?
Judge.
Judge, okay, what year Camaro?
2010.
2010. Boy, that's a funny first name to have it, and a judge. Are you trying to suck up to these guys back there?
Yes, I can.
All right. What kind of mods?
Exhaust.
All right, exhaust. So just make sure car please and brake applied. All right, you're good. Thank you. All right, Richard, she the one entering? All right, she's going to be in the competition.
Destiny.
Destiny, and what year is your Firebird?
01.
2001. Okay, you got the brake on? Pull the emergency brake up, please. All right, let it go. Okay, you're good. Thank you very much. All right, who we got?
West.
Wes, where are you from, bud?
Montgomery, Alabama.
Montgomery, Alabama. Alabama. Roll Tide, huh? Or are you Auburn? Roll War Eagle, huh? All right, pull the parking brake up, please. All right, thank you very much. Dang, I should have wore my headphones. Oh, you guys are going for the cutout, ain't you? All right, who we got there?
Drew.
Drew, where are you from, bud?
North Carolina, Washington City.
All right, North Carolina. What year we got here? 86. All right. Park and brake. There you go. Good. Go. All right. Good job. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead and start it up first. I believe this was the winner last year, wasn't it? I think this was our winner last year. Yeah, she's already bragging to me about it. All right.
Ashley.
Ashley, where are you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Year of your Camaro?
10.
2010, and I know it's got lots of mods. So park and brake neutral. Go ahead. All right, good. Thank you. This car here has won numerous exhaust competitions. Hey, how you doing, bud? Who we got?
Rod Harris.
Right, okay, bud. What year we got? Naturally 69, I believe.
Yeah, 69 batch number. Easy. Real 2.
All right, cool. Go for it. All right, good. Thank you. All right, who we got?
Danny.
Danny, where are you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Man, we got a lot of boys from the Tar Heel here. Well, what year?
88.
88. Got a neutral parking brake, please. Go ahead. Thank you. All right, who we got here?
Brandon Lawrence,
Brandon, where are you from?
Canton, Georgia.
Canton, Georgia. Local boy then. You a Bulldog fan?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right, you got a neutral parking brake set? Go. All right, good. Thank you. All right, no burnouts now. Jeremy, where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. We got a neutral. What year Camaro? 2. And you just got this, didn't you? Looks good, bud. Good job. All right, we ready, judges? All right, go ahead. All right, good. Thanks. All right, who we got here?
Johnny from Birmingham.
Johnny from Birmingham. Are you a road tie or a War Eagle? War Eagle. All right, what year Camaro?
01.
01. Judges, you ready? All right, go ahead. All right, good. Thank you. This is for fun, huh? Okay. All right, who we got here? Virginia. So, Cavalier fan? No, get out of here, right? All right, what year? 1999. Put the parking brake on, please. Put the parking brake up. All right, judges, you ready? All right, go ahead. Easy. All right. All right. You're all good, bud. My bad. All right, who we got?
Travis Smith,
Travis and year?
2011 Cadillac CTS.
All right, 2011. Got any mods done?
Yes, headers, exhaust, pulley, tune.
All right, judges, you ready? All right, go ahead. You're good. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. All right, who we got here?
Chris, Little Lakes, Florida,
All right, bud. Park and brake, please. What year?
2002.
2002. And did you win the cutout last year?
Yearbook.
Before, so you had the worst sounding exhaust then, huh? He had the worst sounding exhaust 2 years ago, so let's see what kind of progress he made. Judges, you ready? All right, go ahead. All right, good. Thank you very much. Let's give everybody a round of applause for competing in this exhaust competition. We'll award the winner here later tonight at the awards banquet, so thanks everybody.